Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever said no to something and later wondered, what if I had just said yes? Sometimes one small decision can completely change your life. Today we are talking about a powerful and inspirational book, The Power of Yes by Amy Newmark. This book is all about how saying yes to opportunities, challenges and even fears can open doors you never imagined. So let's explore the key lessons from this book in simple and relatable way. First lesson is say yes to new opportunities. Many times we say no because we feel scared, unsure or unprepared. We think, what if I fail? What if it doesn't work? But this book shows that growth only happens when you step out your comfort zone. Saying yes doesn't mean everything will be perfect. It means you are willing to try, because every opportunity you accept teaches you something valuable. The second lesson is say yes to change. Change can be uncomfortable. Whether it's a new job, a new place, or a new situation, we often resist it. But change is a part of life. The stories in this book remind us that sometimes the best things happen when life doesn't go as planned. When you say yes to change, you allow yourself to grow, adapt, and discover new paths. The third lesson is say yes to yourself. Many people ignore their own dreams. They say no to their passions because of fear, doubt, or what others think. But this book encourages you to trust yourself. Say yes to your ideas. Say yes to your goals. Even small steps towards your dreams can lead to big results over time. The fourth lesson is say yes to helping others. Kindness and support can make a huge difference. When you say yes to helping someone, you not only improve their life, but you also feel more fulfilled. The book shares many real-life stories where simple acts of kindness created meaningful connections. The fifth lesson is say yes, even when it's difficult. Life is not always easy. There will be moments when saying yes feels risky or uncomfortable. But those moments are often the moments that shape your future the most. Saying yes to challenges builds confidence, strength, and experience. Now, one important thing to remember is saying yes doesn't mean saying yes to everything. It means saying yes to the right things, the things that help you grow, learn, and move forward. So, the biggest message from this book is simple. Your life can change with one word, one small word: yes. Say yes to opportunities. Say yes to growth. Say yes to becoming a better version of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comment, what is one thing you will say yes today? See you in the next video.